Okay, I'm gonna try to fix a shaking noise in the car of the steering wheel, and also want to go over a bump. I found out the problem. It's a little cylinder that needs to be replaced, so we're gonna try to do it. Okay, the very first step is okay, so next step. Okay, there's the third screw. Okay, next is going to be this piece here we're going to take off. Okay, let's see. Okay, good news, we got rid of this. And don't forget to tape the bolts to the part, okay? Just like that. Okay, so I can't do nothing. I'm gonna take off this bracket. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks pretty easy to get that off, and then we'll have a lot more room to drop this steering wheel down, man. Okay, we got it off there, man. Beautiful. Okay, next is this air conditioning duct for your feet. Okay, I gotta get these long adapters here, because these things are, it looks like it's easy to get to and it's right here, but it's not, man. It's way up inside there. So, oh my God, that's tight. So worried about this when I put it back together, man. This is the steering column, you know? An amateur like me shouldn't be messing around with this. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so man, I am really nervous right now. I'm about to drop it. I'm about to drop the steering column, and it's heavy, and you can't pull it too much or you're gonna screw it up forever. So, man, okay. Holy smoke, it's so heavy that I can't get this bolt out, but I better move these drills because this damn thing is gonna drop really fast. How would I even hold it in there, man? This is a two-person job. That's why they're charging thousands of dollars to do this. You got two damn Korean mechanics. Probably doing this. Okay, here we go. Holy shit. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh man, the cylinder's way back there. I ain't gonna be able to get to that. Oh shit. Holy smoke. Okay, so hang on a sec. There it is, way back there. You see that cylinder? So I gotta put that little ass plastic piece. I gotta open this up. How am I gonna get in there? And then I gotta put the cylinder in there. So we're gonna try. We'll see what happens. Holy smoke. The steering wheel column is on the ground. That is just crazy. Man, I gotta take the fuse box out, which is gonna take forever because I can't get behind there. It took me forever to get one bolt out. Look at this one here, and then there's one behind it. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna take off the fuse box. Okay, man, I'm freaking out now. I got the damn steering wheel column on the ground and a zillion wires. I'm not giving up though. I'm done tonight. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and what I gotta do is a lot more, but let me show you this stupid little piece. There it is, this piece of junk here. It's gotta go in here. And I'm having trouble getting the bolts off it because it's way back there. This damn thing is the issue with everything. Okay, it's a new day today, new morning, and I'm back to work here. So I gotta continue to try to get to the back of that part there to change it. So we'll see if I can do it. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. I finally got the bolts out. The reason why we took the steering column out is because just to get to this part, which was at the end of the steering column, way down there. So let's pop it up and see. Oh man, that is heavy. Holy smoke. Okay guys, let me show you the problem. Look at that. Okay, you see this? Okay, you see that? There it is in here. It's wasted, it's gone. It's in pieces. It is in pieces. So that's the problem. And here's the new one right here. Guess how much this cost? This part that cost probably less than a penny to make. Guess how much this cost from Hyundai? Anyways, look at that. It's shredded up. So this is gonna go right in there, and that's gonna fix our problem. Now let's take the old one out and see what we got here. It's melted.
Bye.
It's melted away.
How did it melt away? It got
Look
too hot.
at that. Just over time.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you do Uber, you know? Things wear out quick. Okay, then, let's put it in. It looks like it's the same on both sides. Oh no. One side is bigger. Oh no. Great. Okay, so the biggest problem is trying to hook this steering column into the hook. I just can't do it. I gotta figure out how, but look how heavy this is. This hook's gotta go hook up in there. So, holy smoke. Oh boy. That's high as I can get it. I'm in trouble here. Okay, I got it hooked on. The hook is on. Man, that was so heavy. I just used all my might. Definitely hardest thing ever. Okay, I got the steering column bolted back on, and boy, it was hard. Basically, I had the two nuts in first, and you need the two bolts to go in first. It was just tough. Anyways, I got a lot of connectors put back in. I got the fuse box back on. There's so many connectors I had to connect back in, so everything looks good here. These connectors are for right here, the steering and then the dashboard. So I'm going to put the metal plate on, and we're going to be ready to put back on the bottom faceplate dash and soon start this up and test it out. Okay, so it is back together, and yeah, two problems were fixed. There's no more noise at all, but also I think I have a video and I'll put it in. Whenever I went over a bump, it would just sound like a loud clanking sound. So both those problems were fixed.